Hi, Miss Kerr's class. This is Mrs. Kerr, Miss Kerr's mom, and I am going to read you a poem today called The Story of Augustus Who Would Not Have Any Soup. Augustus was a chubby lad, fat and ruddy cheeks Augustus had, and everybody saw with joy the plump and hearty, healthy boy. He ate and drank as he was told, and never let his soup get cold. But one day, one cold winter day, he screamed out, "Take the soup away! Take take this nasty soup away. I won't have any soup today." The next day, now look, the picture shows how lank and lean Augustus grows, and though he feels so weak and ill, the naughty fellow cries out still, "Not any soup for me, I say. Oh, take the nasty soup away. I won't have any soup today." The third day comes. Oh, what a sin to make himself so pale and thin. Yet when the soup is put on the table, he screams as loud as he is able, "Not any soup for me, I say. Oh, take the nasty soup away. I won't have any soup today." Look at him now. The fourth day's come. He scarcely weighs a sugar plum. He's like a little bit of thread, and on the fifth day he was dead.